Yes, please.
This is a handmade therapy made by Nienna. It's for healing and
Is this your wife?
Yes. It's for healing and beauty, based on the 5 sugar tattvas and shaivism. So these are spiritual products. We have one multi-purpose healing oil. This one oil heals any kind of aches, pains,
Over heartbreak.
That's a difficult one. Yeah, so it has healed psoriasis, it has healed, it takes off
Yeah,
wrinkles,
migraine. I get a lot of migraines.
yeah, sinusitis, this takes off fine line, increasing the elasticity of the skin, and any kind of joint, muscular, nerve pains, arthritis.
So what is this? These are all various jelly booties.
It's primarily, just 5 or 6, but primarily through sound energy and mantra therapy. We infuse a healing form of Lord Shiva called Amriteshwar. We believe that's what makes it so magical.
Right.
So that's what.
And it's also got coconut.
It's coconut oil, camphor, pale, rudraksha, certain crystal essences, saffron, ashwagandha. So these are the. That's our scrub, our skincare paste. It comes in 2 forms. One is this paste form like this, and one is a powder form like this. Yeah. So this does your cleansing, toning, exfoliation,
I like the packaging
moisturization,
also.
and protection.
How long have you been doing this?
About 2, this is the 3rd year actually.
So,
Yeah, this is the same thing in a bar form. So that's fantastic for oily skin people. And it makes a fantastic skincare for men because it's convenient to use. And and this is for dry skin. So, but it does your cleansing, toning, exfoliation, moisturization, and protection. So you can very cheap as for a solution because they are not products. They are primarily solutions for healing and skin.
right.
So our oil is priced at 700. This is 1,000, and this is 500. That's about our product catalog, and this is our spiritual organization.
Wanted to buy some oils.
Yeah, so then just give us a call. It's a cash and delivery system throughout India.
Superb. Thank you. I'll get some massage oil. Thank you. Very nice to meet you. Thank you. Thank you. Hi. Very nice to meet you. They're all beautiful. It's very I like this one. It's very beautiful. But I don't want to inconvenience you.
No inconvenience at all.
But very kind.
Congratulations on your
Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you. When did you guys get married?
मैम सर एक आएगी फोटो यार पीछे में डालना चाहिए आना पीछे मैम या
Thank you. Thank you. Yes, thank you. Thank you.
You're very nice.
How much would something like this be?
Priceless.
But generally, it's so heavy. It's very kind of you. Tushar is here.
just get it back
Yes.
sir
एक second.
Thank you.
Thank you. Abdul is here. He can.
अच्छा एक मिनट
अरे यार अभी
मैम या
ये हो गया सोहा जी यहाँ सेंटर में लगे सोहा जी
Oh, lovely. Everyone here is from Canada. Very nice. Thank you.
No, this is our own manufacturing. Nothing from that now. Display by my own design.
It's fun to wear casual. It's really smart.
चलो उधर मेरे लिए ले लीजिए
And you're from Delhi. But everything will need to be altered.
No, that will make your tailor made.
I must take your card.
Sure, sure.
Best.
Then we have the mega how much is it?
Skirts and sharara types.
No, no, this is the one we have. This one.
ये आशमा जी आपका है
Then we have
Very soon. I know they'll be too large. So best friend. I'll be in touch with you.
Yeah, this from our
So you're here for 2-3 days.
yeah. We do tailor made. Then we have
Yeah, very good. Some of these designers have been assembling so much. Those are the separate colors.
yeah, I'm wearing them in
The 6 colors. Nothing will have in my size.
I can give you
you
the cigarette pants.
was black and
Yeah, I can really make a proper fit for you.
I'll send you a message.
Yeah, just sure. I'm Anju.
got the card.
Lovely. Pleasure. Thank you.
Thank you, madam.
Thank you. That has arrived as you know. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yes, of course.
थोड़ा उधर एक्सक्यूज मी यहाँ पे पास आएगा अब
I'm just posing.
मैम ये मैम ये सुबह जी थोड़ा
It's not so nice. It's slightly smaller for my face.
These type of extensions with any of the any tops.
But what are jhumka extensions? कौन गाना गा रहा है?
अरे पीछे आ जाओ ना
Ah, I see. So you can attach it to it. And the nice, the light.
These are detachable.
चलो वाटी लगा
Your price
सुबह जी हाइट हो सकता है सुबह जी
मैम
मैम
राइट मैम राइट
मैम ये ना थैंक यू तो यहाँ पे सामने
महंगा है। आप सब अज्यूम करते हैं। आपको कैसे मालूम मेरे लिए महंगा नहीं होगा? कितने का? ठीक है, अच्छा प्राइस क्या है? This is also pretty, this blue.
this is turquoise.
And where are you from? Jaipur, of course. हाँ,
आइए कभी इसको
आपका कार्ड दे दीजिए। Makes life easy. My favorite designs are over there. So feminine. Where are you based? What do you want to have to get something and have it altered? How can small size. 24 inches. How much is it? Right? How can we do this? Take your thanks for also being the Buddha statue. What did you get? I'm not the same height as you. I'm wearing layers. I do. It's very pretty. I should quickly see if there's a nicer one. Brighter color. Lighter.
Sorry.
Yeah, why don't you give me a card or something?
I request the car owner of MX03AN1 to please come at the reception desk.
And then I can get in touch with you through the shop. And you're in Bombay for 2-3 days, right? So we can do this while you're here. I'll give you my messages. Thank you. Nice to meet you. Yeah, I know. They're all the rage. Everyone wants to.
So,
Earplugs. Take that in a second. Hi. Where are you from? From Delhi. Which is the one on the right here? The one is obviously inside and one is outside. The top portion can make out. The top portion is this is the outside part. Yeah, that's the inside part. Actually, it's not visible at all. Actually, this is the inside part.
Behind your ears.
And how much is one? I have a big gold one. It must be cheaper than this. Somebody's buying food.
आराम से हाँ वैसे
मुझे 5 मिनट लगेंगे यहाँ।
खड़ा खड़ा बाबा
So first let's do the cuffs. And then how much are these? I often do this. I would buy say so let's do this for 3 cuffs. Yeah. I never go shopping. It's a good way to shop.
this in the most subtle way.
Thank you. That's what everyone says. I don't know whether that's a good thing or not.
No, it's a good thing also. Like real life people.
I have it back.
You can also do it.
Mom is too old for something like this. It's lovely. So much fun. Thank you so
भैया
much.
मुझे निकलने दोगे?
Very nice. Thank you. Thank you very much. Thank you. Thank you.
One second, baby. पीछे.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Everyone is wearing these now. Thank you. Thank you. Coming here, it was great. I'm actually glad that I had the sense to carry some money. I did a lot of shopping. August is a very expensive month for me. Lots of people have birthdays, including my best friend and my brother and my niece and my sister-in-law. So it's heavy on the wallet. But this is a great place to come because under one roof here at the World Trade Center, you have the High Life Exposition and everything from furnishings to clothes to jewelry to decor. There's some really beautiful things.
What made you tempt the most? Like, what did you get tempted
Jewelry.
most on?
I'm always tempted by jewelry, and I got some beautiful. I've been looking for some ear cuffs in silver and gold, so I got one of each, and I got some beautiful jhumkas that were silver. I also got lots of presents. There was a beautiful marble piece that someone gifted me, something for the hair that someone gifted me, a couple of hair clips and outfits and a stole. So I feel like I've got more things for myself than the presents that I was supposed to get for other people.
If you had to pick one thing for each of your family members, what would you think of giving them from here?
I think for my brother, his birthday is actually on the 16th of August. I would probably get him something. There was an aromatherapy shop with a lot of Shuddhi products, so maybe something to calm the senses, like some aromatherapy oils or a face pack. And then for my mother, I saw a really beautiful marble piece that in fact has been gifted to me, so I can give that to her. I was looking for something for my best friend. I haven't found anything as yet, but there's a beautiful stole again that I'm feeling quite possessive about, but I might give that to her.
And what about the husband and...
Nothing for him. I didn't even look for Kunal. But we don't have to
should
tell
gift
him.
you.
I don't think he even knows I'm here, so let's not bring it up.
absolutely great. Any final statements, any parting shots?
No, just lovely. I think it's so convenient to have so many. There's about 130 stalls under one roof here at the WTC. This exhibition is on for the next 2 days. So today and of course the 7th and the 8th of August. So I would encourage everyone who wants to do a little bit of shopping to come here. It's the festive season after all.
So it's nice to have Sharath in the morning. It's a great experience, and it's one of the biggest exhibitions in India, and she's part of it. And we are very happy to be here. And sir, next 3 days is happening at World Trade Center, 6, 7, 8. World Trade Center 10 a.m. to 8 p.m.
Thank you.
Someone signing
Yes.
सर थैंक यू सर साथ में
Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you.
वेट Yes, sir, ma'am.
Thank you, people.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.